Hi guys, it's Josh and welcome to this London session morning recap. I'm going to be going over with you how I was viewing the price action this morning, if I took any trades, what I was talking about, whether it played out or not, and just sort of give you an understanding of how I am reading the markets in live time. So coming into this morning, we realized that structure was bearish and that essentially there were two sort of plays. One being follow this internal bearish structure to the downside until we sort of mitigate more higher time frame demand area, which is this blue shaded area. The other being waiting for a structural break to the upside, so closing above this internal high, before then looking for longs. So yeah, coming into the session, I was looking at all this sort of price action. We had this internal break of structure to the downside. I was sort of looking to play this internal structure, keep following it to the downside essentially. And I was quite happy to do this because all this price action looks very sort of corrective. We've got all this liquidity built here. So yeah, it was about 7 o'clock and we swept this high, and then instantly we sort of flipped this small demand here and started selling off. So at this point, I was thinking, okay, we've swept this liquidity here. We've started selling off aggressively, flipping this small demand, at the same time giving us a change of character. I was looking for shorts from this point of interest here. However, unfortunately, we didn't pull back in, and we've just sort of sold off and took out all this liquidity. So at the moment, to trade from this point of interest here now, it is lower probability because we've already pulled back down here and we've actually just swept liquidity here. So it is lower probability. However, if you wanted to be more aggressive, I think due to the way this sort of price action is forming very correctively, you could look for a short from here, potentially targeting this demand and these relatively equal lows here. Yeah, so this is, if you want to, a bit more conservative, you could wait for a potential change of character before getting involved. But yeah, this is what I'm looking at the moment. Potential short from this demand up in the, supply, at least to here. You could target 1 to 3 quite nicely here. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and just a quick update from me.